Never in their wildest dreams did they imagine that someone with only a primary school education would be performing tasks typically done by someone with a doctorate. In this rudimentary workshop in Pakistan, they were able to handcraft electric motors, a level of complexity that exceeded all expectations. The process began with the creation of motor casings, which relied heavily on traditional sandcasting techniques. This process, while relatively simple, required placing a mold inside a sand-filled box, ensuring the sand was tightly packed to support the weight of workers standing on it. Once the mold was removed and the box closed, it was ready for use. The prepared sandboxes were then placed in the casting area, ready to receive the molten iron from discarded scraps. These scraps were about to undergo a miraculous transformation. They were tossed into the furnace, heated to 1500 degrees, and turned into molten iron. The molten iron was then caught in ladles before being carried by 2 workers to the casting area. Without any protective gear, not even proper footwear, the workers bravely poured the molten iron into each sand mold. It was a testament to their skill and bravery. Once the iron had solidified, it was time for the demolding process to begin. Once the demolding process is complete, a casing is obtained. However, the assembled unit cannot be immediately put to use. It requires machining for circuit holes and bolt holes. This process demands precision and technical expertise. Each hole must be accurately positioned. Otherwise, it would hinder the installation of other components. The workers are already well versed in each hole's location, but they still need to bring it over to the lathe to remove any imperfections. After machining on the lathe is completed, the stator core can be hammered back into place. To ensure a stable magnetic field rotation, the workshop opted for a stator with 36 slots. Another worker meticulously grinds each slot one by one with a chisel to meet uniform standards. Once grinding is complete, insulating paper can be installed inside the slots. These operations are relatively straightforward. However, the most challenging part is winding the coils. Despite its difficulty, they persist in handcrafting the coils. This series winding consists of 3 sets, making the winding process extremely complex. Those capable of completing this assembly are undoubtedly at the level of engineers. Surprisingly, the master craftsman achieved his skills through self-learning, which is truly admirable. Due to the workshop's payment structure based on the number of completed units, the workers are remarkably efficient. Their skilled techniques allow them to successfully install a coil in less than 20 minutes. Their efficiency is truly remarkable. Not only does it showcase their professionalism, but it also provides strong assurance for the smooth progress of the entire production process. Once the coils are assembled, the workers use durable nylon threads to bind them together, ensuring their stability. This meticulous operation not only prevents the coils from loosening or falling off during use but also enhances the overall performance and stability of the motor. After securing the stator coils, the next step is to uniformly coat them with insulation varnish. This seemingly simple step plays a crucial role in the motor's performance and reliability. Then comes the critical wiring stage, which is equally complex and requires high levels of expertise and precision. During this process, the workers need to connect each part of the motor using wires to ensure smooth flow of current and proper motor operation. They must accurately identify the function and polarity of each wire and connect them to the corresponding terminals. Any wiring mistakes or poor connections can lead to the motor malfunctioning or even serious failures. Once the wiring is completed, they can proceed to prepare for rotor installation. Before installation, these rotors undergo a round of meticulous processing to ensure they perfectly match with other components of the motor. When reinstalling the rotor, the workers conduct meticulous inspections one by one while ensuring a certain air gap is left. This practice helps reduce the motor's magnetic leakage current, thus enhancing its efficiency and performance. Once all inspections confirm no issues, the workers can proceed to reinstall the front and rear covers. The installation of these components requires extremely high precision and meticulous handling. After completing the installation of accessories, the workers conduct a final electrical check to ensure that all motor parameters meet the requirements. To enhance the motor's appearance, once it's confirmed that everything is in order, the workers also apply a layer of paint. This paint not only improves the motor's aesthetic quality but also provides some level of surface protection. After painting, they affix their own labels, akin to issuing an identity card for the motor. With this, each meticulously crafted motor is considered complete. They resemble works of art, showcasing the workers' exquisite skills and passion for their craft. These motors, once finished, will find extensive application across various fields, bringing convenience to people's lives and work. Throughout this process, the workers' hard work and professional dedication deserve praise. They are not only creators of the foundation but also creators of a better life.